Good morning, 2-3. It's writing time. So remember what I said yesterday. This is our last essay um, for you to be writing as a second grader because we're going to be moving on to something new. And I want you to show off your skills to show that you're ready for third grade with these essays because, again, these essays are going to be very similar to what you're going to do in third grade, okay? So make sure you're using your sentence starters, your models, and everything in this video to help you do the best. Remember that you are not submitting your work until this Friday. Again, you are not submitting. We are checking and leaving comments, but you are not submitting until Friday. With that in mind, make sure that you check for any comments that were left before you go to your new assignment today, okay? So always look for comments in the paragraph that you had. So yesterday was your introduction. You want to look to see if you had any comments left for you in your introduction before starting body paragraph 1, which is today's lesson. So as you could see up here, it says Tuesday, April 28th, body paragraph 1, and then it has your instructions. So number 1 is to watch my video on this lesson, which is body paragraph 1. I am going to let you know that this week I am keeping all the videos I make here. So please make sure I will be putting the time next to it that you are opening the correct video. When you open it, it will say introduction, body paragraph 1, but just please keep an eye on that I will be putting the time next to it, okay? The second thing you're going to watch is today you will need to be reading the passage, The Secrets of the Rainforest, and I read that for you if you need help with it. So that's right here. It's 2 minutes long. Then you're going to reread the prompt like we always do to get our mind focused on what we need to answer in our body paragraphs. I did just keep this here. If some of us did not follow on task, you need to do your introduction first, and I wrote that this was due Monday. And then today we are all working on our body paragraph 1. And as always, look over your typing for capitals, periods, spacing, and spelling. So now when we come to our writing, when you go to your passage and you listen when I read it to you, obviously something important that you noticed here is I wrote body paragraph 1 above this heading of your passage. So I'm going to talk about that in a minute, okay? So let's just go one more time to your prompt. In the passage, the author discusses the importance of rainforests. Write an essay describing 2 ways rainforests are important to people. So basically what our body paragraph 1 is focusing on is how rainforests are important to people. That's what we need to find in the text. We need to find 2 different ways that rainforests are important to people, okay? So as always, where it says type here, that's where you're going to start typing your answer, and you're going to type here, to begin with, okay? That's our sentence starter. To begin with, one way rainforests are important to people is, and then you're going to fill in your answer. Now, where are you going to find that answer? Well, let me think about that. Why did Mrs. Del Valle put body paragraph 1 around this section? Because I'm telling you that the answer for body paragraph 1 is in this paragraph, under this heading. Okay, so your answer's here, your textual evidence is here, everything is going to be here that you need for body paragraph 1. In this paragraph, it is telling you one way that rainforests are important for people. Okay, so I'm making that clear. I'm giving you the area that body paragraph 1. This is where you should be looking today. Okay, so again, you're going to do to begin with, and then you're going to do your restate. Okay, one way the rainforest is important to people is, however you want to restate it, give me your answer. Then you're going to come here and type the text states. And again, you're going to remember, some of us had trouble with this last week. You are copying word for word from the text. So for example, I'm just going to choose a sentence here. Let's say I wanted to copy welcome to a tropical rainforest because this is a complete sentence. I'm literally copying welcome to a tropical rainforest. word for word. That is how I would copy it. So please make sure that for body paragraph 1, when you choose your textual evidence from here that best supports your answer, you are copying word for word, okay? Remember, the text states you're allowed to copy from the text. So please remember that, okay? So you have the text states, and then the last part is your this shows. Remember, this shows is your words. You are now connecting in your words. You're explaining your textual evidence. So you're talking more about how the rainforest is important to people based on what you chose. It all is connecting, okay? This entire body, paragraph 1, is talking about one way that you are telling me that the rainforest is important to people. And again, you're finding your answer in the text where I wrote body paragraph 1 to help you. So this is all you're doing today. You're using your sentence starters, you're using your text, and you are focusing on one way the rainforest is important to people. Okay? That's what you're doing. And that's it. So if you need any help at all, please message me. I'm here to help you, whether it's over here as a private comment, whether it's on Dojo. If you're really confused and you need to schedule a Google Meet, please let me know and I could do that, okay? But I'm also having a Google Meet on Tuesday at 1 o'clock. So if you need to come on there for extra help, you have that option as well, okay? So if you need anything, please let me know. But make sure that you're showing me your third grade skills. Show off those writing skills.